Home pregnancy 11 foods and beverages to avoid during pregnancy 11 foods and beverages to avoid during pregnancy karizmacMay 05, 2020. Pregnancy is one of the most crucial and touchy periods in a lady's life. Along these lines, it's significant for pregnant ladies to eat a sound eating regimen. Expecting moms need to give close consideration to what they eat and make a point to stay away from hurtful nourishments and refreshments. Certain nourishments should just be devoured seldom, while others ought to be kept away from totally. Here are 11 nourishments and refreshments to maintain a strategic distance from or limit during pregnancy. 1. High-mercury fish. Mercury is a profoundly harmful component. It has no known safe degree of introduction and is most regularly found in contaminated water, one trusted source. In higher sums, it very well may be poisonous to your sensory system, safe framework and kidneys. It might likewise cause genuine formative issues in youngsters, two trusted source.